Hi, my name is Oyoh Edmond. I'm a cloud and a DevOps engineer. So it's really exciting, very, very exciting with the advent of how I practiced and put in much effort. And I saw that the effort was not in waste. So I just, was interested. It was great. I'll say thorough, I'll say fascinating and interesting at the same time. I plan to actually get into a very great company in that sense, where I can put in my skills in proper practice, working with AWS tools and building great infrastructures. Stay focused, be open to learning, ask questions a lot. Say salam. Salam. The most serious person, as Precious Ogunbiko. Thank you for putting all this together to get my career up and going. Good job.